Hi, I'm John Joseph Ray, Master Massage Therapist, Continuing Education Provider, and author. And I wanted to talk to you about the targeted muscle testing and quick self-fixes that I learned from Dr. Camden Clay. I use these techniques with my clients in my massage practice, and I also teach these techniques to massage therapists, as well as physical therapists, occupational therapists, and trainers as part of my muscle balancing and joint stabilization program that I offer around the country. My students use these techniques for themselves and for their clients. My clients and my students both benefit greatly from Dr. Clay's work. They quickly see where they have weaknesses in the body and how the fixes instantly strengthen those areas. The benefits are priceless. Lower tendency towards injury, and I've seen that in my own experience several times. Also, quicker recovery times if an injury does occur for some reason. And also you see better balance in the muscles around the joints and better coordination, which can be very important for people in all kinds of activities and occupations, but especially as people get older and have more propensity to falling. And another benefit is a general feeling of greater overall health and well-being because you're getting better blood circulation through the body and less stress. I've also seen these benefits and more in my own body because I use the quick self-fixes and connective tissue stretches regularly. They're very quick and easy to do. That's why they call them quick self-fixes. And they're extraordinarily effective. I'm very grateful for having met Dr. Clay and for having learned these wonderful techniques for myself and my clients and my students. If you learn them and apply them for your own body or for your clients, you will quickly see the benefits for yourself. I guarantee it. Stay well.